2 videos in 2 weeks. Holy! Bet you didn't see that one coming. Well, to be fair, neither did I. In this video, I wanted to show you guys how I built a beautiful floating bed frame. Now, if you follow me on social media, you've probably seen the final product of this video already. And if you don't, well, here are the links down below that you can follow me. So I've been wanting to build a floating bed frame for quite a while now. And I figured with all this extra space, mid-renovation of my house, it would be the perfect time to do it. Before designing the bed frame, I searched the web and YouTube for inspiration. This came up with a ton of different designs and styles of construction to choose from. I took some of the ideas from my favorite designs, I sketched out my vision on a piece of paper, and then I started making a 3D model of it, because why not? My two main design principles were to have hidden hardware, meaning that there'd be no visible screws on the finished surfaces of the bed frame, and to have no visible base from a reasonable distance away. Once the 3D model was finished, I was able to make a parts list, and I picked up all the lumber from the local hardware store. Construction started with what I call the upper and lower frames and the headboard frame. As I cut all the lumber, I hand sanded all of my cuts to make sure there are no rough edges or burrs on any of the wood. And once all the parts were assembled, I started the painting process with 2 coats of Kil's original primer, followed by 2 coats of melamine to give the finished frame a durable and cleanable surface. The base was painted black to match our dark flooring and to hide the base better. I painted the frames first because I wanted the finished product to have unfinished structure, including no overspray, for a nice, clean, sharp look. After painting, I assembled the structure of the bed frame, including making the headboard removable, making it easier to move. The headboard also has a built-in shelf with a backboard, so anything you put on the shelf isn't going to fall behind the bed and be hard to get out. Another feature of this bed frame is that it's cat-proof. I used some 1/4-inch plywood to cover up the rear joist openings and designed the front spaces to have blocking closing them off, making the lower base blocked off from cats or any other animals from getting inside, which is important in our house. Once the frame was complete, I filled in all the screws with wood filler, sanded, primed, and painted over them so they were all hidden. And the final touch of this bed frame was to add the RGB lighting around the base. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this bed frame, let me know. I know I sure liked it, and I'm really glad I finally got to build this bed frame. It's the biggest piece of furniture I ever built, and I'm actually kind of looking forward to building another one. Until next time, I hope you have a good one. Okay, bye.